Finding a clean and comfortable place to go while camping can be a real challenge, right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Lucky Nov Portable Toilet. The Lucky Nov Portable Toilet really caught my eye with its ergonomic design and affordability, priced at just $33.19. If you want a comfortable and portable toilet for your next outdoor adventure, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this toilet is its heavy-duty ABS build that can support up to 450 pounds. The extra long seat opening is 12 inches, which is 20% longer than many other models. This means you can use it comfortably no matter your body type. Plus, it folds down to a compact size of just 13 by 15.35 by 2.67 inches, making it perfect for campers, hikers, or anyone on the go. The best part? It includes disposable waste bags and urine gel packs that solidify liquid waste, making cleanup a breeze. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When nature calls, you want to handle it quickly and hygienically, and this product does just that. Now, some people complained about the stability on uneven ground. Here's the thing though, it's designed to handle various terrains like rocky hills or sandy beaches, so it should perform well if you set it up correctly. This is perfect for you if you're a regular camper or just want a reliable portable option for road trips. Skip this one if you need something ultra sturdy for very rough conditions. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the Lucky Nov's compact size is a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a bit more height. Product number 2, the Ski Camping Toilet. The Ski Camping Toilet is also priced at $33.99. If you want a reliable and easy to transport option, this is definitely worth your attention. This toilet offers a heavy-duty ABS construction supporting up to 450 pounds. It's designed with a contoured ergonomic seat and a 12-inch extra-long seat hole, ensuring comfort for everyone. The folded size is compact at 14.1 inches by 12.6 inches by 2.7 inches, making it easy to store in your RV or car. Plus, it comes with odor-proof waste bags and biogel to solidify liquid waste, emphasizing hassle-free cleanup. Here's why this matters for you specifically. On long trips or camping adventures, you want something lightweight and easy to set up when the need arises. However, a few users mentioned that the lid could feel flimsy. Now, here's my take. While some flexibility is expected, it's still sturdy enough for regular use, so it shouldn't really affect your experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable toilet that's easy to set up and take down. Skip this if you're expecting a super rigid design. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing extra comfort. Product number 3, Katie XL Portable Toilet. Coming in at $37.99, the Katie XL Portable Toilet offers a bit more height and comfort. If you want a toilet that feels a bit more like home, this one's worth considering. The innovative ergonomic design stands at 15.7 inches, which allows for a more natural position and quicker colon emptying. It's made from high-quality leather and sturdy density board, so it's a lot softer than regular plastic options. The folding size is impressive at just 3.15 by 15 by 11.8, making it easy to carry around. Plus, it includes 2 custom trash bags and a large pocket for your phone or essentials. Here's why this matters. When you're out in the wilderness, comfort is key, and this toilet delivers that extra touch. However, some customers noted that the handles could feel awkward during transport. Here's the thing though, if you're not carrying it for long distances, it's a non-issue. This is perfect for families who want a more comfortable potty experience during camping trips. Skip this if you need something ultra lightweight for hiking. It's a good value for its features. Now, if you're looking for something even simpler and more compact, the next product is a great alternative. Product number 4, 72 HRS Portable Toilet Seat. For just $15.89, the 72 HRS Portable Toilet Seat might be the most affordable option here. If you're looking for something that's easy to pack and use with a bucket, then this is a strong contender. This toilet seat fits perfectly on standard 5-gallon buckets, making it an essential item for those camping trips or emergencies. It's made from sturdy polypropylene, so it's both crack and pinch resistant. At only 0.7 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Plus, the snap-on feature allows for secure attachment, so you won't have to worry about spills. Here's why this matters for you. Whether it's a camping trip or a long car ride, having a reliable toilet option adds peace of mind. However, a few users mentioned that it's not as comfortable as a full toilet. I get that. If you're looking for a more cushioned experience, this might not meet your needs. This is perfect for those on a tight budget or anyone who needs a backup solution. Skip this if comfort is your top priority. It's a smart buy for what it offers. Finally, if you want a full portable toilet experience without breaking the bank, stick around for our last pick. Product number 5, Harpoon XL Portable Folding Toilet. Last but not least, we have the Harpoon XL Portable Folding Toilet, priced at $29.99. If you want a sturdy and multifunctional option, this might just be what you need. This toilet is constructed of premium ABS plastic, supporting up to 400 pounds, and has a larger seat for more comfort. It's designed to fold down easily, so you can set it up in seconds. It can also double as a storage box or stool, making it handy for various situations. The included garbage bag is a huge plus for easy cleanup. Here's why this matters. When you're out camping, a toilet that can serve multiple purposes is invaluable. However, some users found it slightly heavier than expected. But here's the thing, the added sturdiness makes it worth it, especially if you're planning to use it regularly. This is perfect for campers who want a reliable, multi-purpose toilet that can handle various uses. Skip this if you're only looking for something ultra lightweight. For the price, it's an excellent value with its added features. We covered the Lucky Novo portable toilet for comfort, the Ski camping toilet for portability, the Ann Katie XL for added height, the 72 HRS portable toilet seat for budget friendliness, and the Harpoon XL for multifunctionality. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ann Katie XL because it offers that home-like comfort while still being portable. Avoid the 72 HRS if you need a cushioned experience, as it might not meet your needs.